everyone, we're back. We haven't done experiments like this in like the whole summer. So hello everyone. Have you enjoyed our videos? I think yeah, maybe. You're welcome 3 to enjoy all videos. Now this is our 20th experiment.
And what is this, Augustus?
You've may noticed a flower, but it kind of doesn't look like it, but it is a flower. It's just microscopic.
And what kind of flower is it?
I forget, Dad. You can tell everyone.
It's a Tilia Stem.
If you'll excuse me, I just get a little coffee. You know what I mean.
So can you walk through what we see? What do you see?
So we can see a Tilia stem right about there.
The whole thing is a Tilia Stem.
Yeah.
Tilia Stem.
And you see that? That looks like a cool sparkly thing.
Well, they don't know what you're pointing at, so you're pointing at the cool sparkly thing?
Yeah. Sparkly? Looks like it has Christmas lights on it or something.
Like Christmas lights. Cool.
Yeah. So, bye everyone. We take these experiments very fast. Now, make sure to watch more videos on Augustus and Daddy.
I don't know where you want to put your put on Facebook.
Yeah. So just check on Facebook and you'll see these ideas. Bye. Enjoy!